Hi beauties, it's Jean with BeautyandtheStamper.com, and it's time for a paper pumpkin unboxing. This one is called Sweet Springtime, February 2024. This is the one we'll be putting together. We put them together live on the first Wednesday of each month. So let's go ahead and look. The color is Early Espresso. And then the stamps, they're giving us some, let's do it the right, nope, that was the right way, I guess. The stamps is this Easter bunny, some lilies or daffodils, a little chick. This one says, welcome baby. This one says, happy Easter. And this one says, springtime greetings. So very cute. And let's go ahead and open this card up. I have not seen it, so it's all a surprise to me. Let me get some scissors out. Well, these are handy. They're right here. They are not good, but there they are. All right. So it looks like we are... Is it boxes or cards? Let's see, let's see. We're gonna look at the, oh, it's both. It's boxes and cards. And then they now, I guess this is better. This is where you could see the stamps much better. This must be, they're doing this so you can have a place to put them, so you can put them in different carriers. And it comes with the instructions. It looks like you're can make 3 of these cards, 3 of these little boxes, and 3 of these longer slimline cards. And then of course the instructions are all there. It comes with some dimensionals, some little glue dots, and some embellishments. It comes with double-sided tear tape and some twine. We've got 3 of the envelope. No, these are bases. I thought these were envelopes. They're the bases for the cards. So you have 3 of those. Oh gosh, my alternative mind is already working, right? So what different alternatives that can be made. And then this is a little box. And there's 3 of those. We've got some cutouts. There's a wreath. There's a daffodil and some little grass. So we've got 3 of those. Here's those envelopes, the 3 slimline envelopes, and they are in a very vanilla looking color. This is like a crumb cake-ish color, and they're also envelopes. And they've got beautiful plaid inserts. And then this one made me look, and it's got a green insert. I used to have a dress like that in the 70s. Oh my gosh. My grandmother made it for me. Was it a dress or was it an apron? I don't remember exactly. But here's the card bases for that card. Look how cute that is. Adorable. And we've got some more cutouts here. We've got 3 pages of the exact same. We got those bunnies, some more daffodils, some banners, and some of these little chicks in a tag or a label, I guess. And then of course the cardboard that we could use to make other things out of. So here are my 2 links, BeautyandtheStamper.com or paperpumpkin.com, if you wanted to order next month's paper pumpkin. So I cannot wait to see what next month's is. But again, this month, it's almost over, but on the first Wednesday of March, we'll be putting this together live on my Zoom. and I will send out information so you can have that link. If you want to get on the Paper Pumpkin Live and you need the link, it goes out to my email people, and you can sign up for my email by going to BeautyandtheStamper.com. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of your weekend. I will talk to you later. Bye!